Oh no, you can't. Look, it's already in. Wait, what about this one?
Oh look, we could just get this boat for her shower.
So we're gonna buy it for her. So she breaks stuff. We're gonna buy it for her. We're here to find a crib. We're going to just potty take. Wait, what? I thought we came here to buy it. No, but I have to take a selfie.
This is 69. Oh my gosh,
69 bucks.
This one's 99.
Yes. But my baby can't even hold anything. Then she can break stuff. Yeah.
What is this one?
Oh, that's perfect. So, I like the first one. It's nice and bajito. Ay, Danna. That's the time for you. Here you go. And she's gonna have all that space. She can just move around. Yeah,
She will hit any.
20.
This is 20. 1999. 20.
It's cheap. We could buy these things for like not in one day. We're not gonna have it. Here you go. You can have this toy. I got the boo-boo. I got the boo-boo. And then you. Oh my gosh! This was esta. No, horrible. That's horrible. This is the perfect. Dana, you choose a bad choice because you're gonna skate.
Yeah, I think this rock. Then you're gonna dirty it.
I don't
Get him
care.
this one.
Okay.
Oh my god, there's a worker. There's a worker.
Now look what you did, Dana.
Oh my god.
Oh shoot.
Oh, she can learn how to do her poopies and
Oh my gosh. This is look. Oh, we need to buy this.
Ah, yes, para...
So that's gonna be
Es como un gimnasio.
Ajá. Oh yeah.
This is what we actually did.
And we're gonna buy We're buying that.
The crib?
Yes, but I don't know how we're gonna fit it.
Dana, I'm sorry.
No, the crib
But you need
for
to get the
another
box
day.
Yeah,
Maybe next week.
Yeah,
No, it's for today. Well, we're gonna get it today, but it's not here that you get it.
Ah, okay, okay.
But you don't actually buy it here. You know that, right?
Oh, and I really want this closet.
Oh, just get in there.
I just really
But
want
you
this
know, like,
closet.
you don't actually buy these things here.
You do.
No. Like, I know
crib
you
is
buy.
bad.
Adios, me voy. I know that you buy them at Ikea. You don't-
Guys, I really like this.
You have to
I
build
think-
it.
So like this is like
too big for her.
it costs $29.99.
Dana,
So we have this beautiful crib that really matches with this. That kind of looks like my dog. So like this is like
bag.
so look, I really like this because like when you're changing your baby's diaper or changing the little
camera
toothie,
person.
you need that.
Camera.
I like it.
You mean camera person?
What is this for actually?
So yes,
It's here. Look,
What is it?
over there.
What is it? It says
Es el mismo.
Onskli.
Ese está chévere.
Yeah, but like, what does it say here?
I don't know.
What do you think it is? We should buy the little one.
Escucha.
The little with some.
Van a cerrar. ¿Ok? Entonces, despídete.
Have to go.
Pero despídete.
Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a big thumbs up and hit the bell right next to the subscribe button.